Can you remember the last time the ductwork in your Wichita Falls, Texas home was cleaned? If not, it's time to call for help. Ductwork cleaning is a great way to ensure your HVAC system is working efficiently, but it also helps to minimize dirt and debris floating throughout your Wichita County home. But to set the project up for success, there are a few tasks needed. Luckily, our team of experts handles it all. First, we'll ensure your vents are closed. This helps prevent dust and debris from being forced into other rooms in your home while cleaning. If your furniture is near vents, we move it out of the way for better access to the system. No heavy lifting on your end. When you work with Robinson Air, all you need to do is arrange a time for your ductwork to be cleaned, and we'll take it from there. Plus, if cleaning doesn't help your ductwork function better, we can replace your entire system with ease. Our team will conduct a full inspection to ensure you're making an informed decision for service. Whether you need ductwork cleaning or replacement, we can help. Call us today at 580-699-5760 for your free estimate.